Hey, what's up? It's Coach Brian. Today I want to teach you how to use a long-handled resistance band to do a bicep curl. So if you don't have dumbbells hanging around or you're on vacation, you can stuff this in your suitcase, duffel bag, carry-on, whatever, or simply you don't have a lot of stuff at home. These resistance bands are amazing to train the strength of your biceps. So we have just a standard bicep curl. Your feet are about shoulder width. Toes pointing forward, arms are lengthened at your sides. You'll pull the hands to the shoulders, the elbows stay in, and then lengthen your arms back to the floor. So there's a significant amount of tension in this band on both the way up and on the way down. The nice part about bands is you can increase tension on just the same band by widening out your feet. Make sure your band is under the center of your foot for maximum amount of security, and then bam, we're really working those biceps here with a wider stance. Narrow up your stance to make that same band easier to pull, and even easier yet, just a 1 foot standing on there. As long as both feet are firmly on the floor, you're good. So that's a bicep curl with a long handled band. If you have any questions, you can message me below the video or get me at Brian Tass Fitness on Facebook or Coach Brian Tass on Instagram. Have a great day.